Welcome to WD Gann forecasting methods. In this video, we shall be looking at Gann scaling using the price to bar ratio method. So scaling a chart. Gann insisted on using scale chart because he was using his compass to draw vectors from high to lows and vice versa. And another reason is he wanted them to properly scaled because he used to overlay them on the path of the planets. One instance, you can see he used all of the technique in the famous wheat call of 1909 call he made. So the 1909 call, if you do not know, you can search on it. He predicted the price of wheat very perfectly, like it was like 10% deviation from the current price. He told that if wheat does not go, it is like this: if BankNIFTY does not move 5% from the current price, my methods are wrong. He told this in public, and it actually went there. And it is not any forecast of some philosopher or some oracle kind of stuff like that. He actually gave the proper reasoning of it using the proper methods he used, and he is teaching. So anyways, so he used to overlay them. So the part of the overlay, right now we have trading view. Previously like we can easily overlay an indicator like Bollinger Band on top of this chart, and this is very complex overlay because the Bollinger Band is getting calculated automatically when we are based on the latest price. And in the old day when Gann used to live, they used to use time cycle and stuff like this. Like this is overlay. Let me show you. Ghost projection. Yeah. So Fibonacci circle. So this is an overlay, right? So you can overlay this chart properly if you have this already handy, and you can do it like graph paper. You can merge them like two, and you can visualize it. Okay, so they used to do it by hand. Right now we have many softwares. So that's why he wanted to scale the chart to maintain the same scaling everywhere. So there has to be uniformity in terms of taking decision making, and hence the visualization of a chart with candlestick. So let's discuss the first method of Gann chart scaling using the price to bar ratio. So in this example, we are using the chart of BankNIFTY in the daily time frame, which we saw earlier. You can easily tell in the naked eye it is uptrend. And let's do the same thing again. Let's mark the lowest point. Let's mark the highest point. Now we are using the date and price range tool. The price range allows you to place price point vertically in the two prices, and the date range allows to place the points horizontally into two time points. Let me show you by doing in the Ethereum chart. I do not like this color. Let me change the color for 1 minute. I am very particular about color. I know it does not make any sense, but I do it anyways. Who is there to stop me? See, I am double clicking on the indicator. So this is my indicator. I remove the zigzag line. Okay, now it looks very beautiful. Okay, let me find the date and where is it? Date and price range. So date is coming horizontally because the x-axis shows the date, the x-axis is shown by the date, and the time is coming, the price is coming vertically because the y-axis shows the price. Once the tool is selected, click on the bottom of the trend and click on the top of the trend. So we are doing downtrend, so that is the top of the trend, and the bottom of the trend was here. So I have done this. I think I have done this properly. Okay, anyways. Now see, I am double clicking to open the settings, and you need to make sure the point 1 and point 2 is perfect here. So let's do that. So the point 1 is high of this candle, which is 2029.11. So let's double click on it. Coordinates 2029.11, and the low of this candle is, let me move it, 1802. Now it is perfectly drawn Let's go back to the instruction page of the slideshow. See, the price range is this and the bar range is this. The number of trading days is called bar. So every single day the average movement is this divided by this, which is this. So what is this in? We need to find in this case also. So it moved by 227.11 times, 227.11 divided by 24 times, which is 96 point this. So each day the movement is like 9.76 points. So each day, if it moves like properly, each day it fell 9 points. Recapping the theory of Gann angles, Gann believed that the ideal balance between time and price exists when the price rises or falls at 45-degree angle relative to the time axis. Now think about it. Previously I told you to skip, do not think about it because you will not understand. Now it is time to think. So it means that each one day it will be called perfect if it falls by 45-degree angle. Now the ideal price to bar ratio is, so the ideal Gann scaling parameter will be achieved if the trend angle drawn between the lowest point and the highest point is 45-degree, right? So for that we need to revisit the property of an isosceles right triangle. So isosceles right triangle, if you remember in the class 10 geometry, in our matriculation geometry, it is 45-degree, 90-degree triangle, which is called isosceles triangle. They have equal length, so D is equal to D here. So they have equal sides and two equal lengths, because the if you remember, the summation of the summation of three angles in a triangle is 360-degree. It is 90-degree, so it has to be same 45 degrees. So now in this case, see, the price bar has moved 3032 points in 12 bars. So the ideal Gann scaling parameter will be achieved if the price to bar ratio is this divided by this. So in that case, the distance covered in the chart by dates will be the same distance covered. The distance in the chart covered by the dates will be the same to the distance in the chart covered by the price. That makes sense. In our case, we already have got this number. Now how to set it? Click on settings, click on scales, click on price to bar ratio. Let's do that. Click on settings, click on scales, click on price to bar ratio, put this number, click OK. It is properly scaled. Now what to do? Now verify with the trend angle indicator. So let's verify it. Then I will check the slide. So to verify the trend angle indicator, I put it from here to at the low of this point. It came 45-degree automatically. See, now if I am moving the chart like this, or zooming in or zooming out, because our price to bar ratio is fixed, the angle is not getting changed. So now you should do charting on it. So this is how we should do chart. So this is how that is how you can Gann scale a chart. Now we verified it. It shows 45-degree angle in a big bold line for us to. So far you have learned the concept of chart scaling, and you learned how to find price to bar ratio using the principles of Gann angle, and how to Gann scale the chart using the method of fixating price to bar ratio. So this thing has I have not seen this thing in anywhere in any online material so far. So let's hope you have learned something new today. And there is one more method where you can achieve the same result. We shall be discussing that in the next part of this video.